Hello everyone. Yuj welcomes you all to our video. We are here to know more about yoga. Yoga is essentially a spiritual discipline based on an extremely subtle science which focuses on bringing harmony between mind and body. It is an art and science of healthy living. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit root yuj, which means to unite or to join. As per yogic scriptures, the practice of yoga leads to the union of individual consciousness with that of the universal consciousness, indicating a perfect harmony between the mind and the body, the man and the nature. One who experiences this oneness of existence is said to be in yoga or is termed as a yogi, having attained to a state of freedom referred to as mukti, nirvana or moksha. Thus the aim of yoga is self-realization to overcome all kinds of sufferings leading to the state of liberation or freedom which we call moksha. Yoga also refers to an inner science comprising of a variety of methods through which human beings can realize this union and achieve mastery over their destiny. The practice of yoga is believed to have started with the very dawn of civilization. The science of yoga has its origin thousands of years ago, long before the first religions or belief systems were born. There are 8 limbs considered in yoga. Let us know more about them. These 8 limbs of yoga is called as Ashtanga Yoga. The first limb is called Yama. Yama means social ethics or external disciplines. There are 5 parts of Yama in Yoga Sutra which are listed as Ahimsa, non-violence, Satya, truthfulness, Asteya, non-stealing, Brahmacharya, marital fidelity, Aparigraha, non-avarice. Second limb of yoga is Niyama, which means personal ethics or internal disciplines. The 5 niyamas are termed as Swachha, purity, Santosha, contentment, Tapasa, perseverance or self-discipline, Swadhyaya, introspection of thoughts and actions, Ishwar Pranidhana, surrender to God. Asana, it is called as third limb of yoga. Asana is a posture that one can hold for a long period of time, staying relaxed and comfortable. By practicing yoga, we develop the habit of discipline and ability to concentrate. Pranayama, the fourth limb of yoga, is control of breath. The practice of consciously regulating the breath includes inhalation, full pause, exhalation, and the empty pause. It is designed to gain mastery over the respiratory process while recognizing the connection between breath, the mind, and the emotions. Pratyahara, it is recognized as fifth limb of yoga. Pratyahara is withdrawal of senses. This withdrawal allows us to objectively observe our cravings. It empowers one to stop being controlled by the external world. Dharana, the sixth limb of yoga, means concentration and one-pointedness of mind. Dharana is holding one's mind onto a particular subject or topic of one's mind. The mind is fixed on a mantra or one's breath. We learn how to slow down thinking process and deal with distractions. Seventh limb of yoga is dhyana, which means meditative absorption. In dharana, if the focus was on one idea or topic, dhyana is contemplating that idea or topic. The last and eighth limb is samadhi. Samadhi is described as a state of ecstasy. It has 2 kinds. First is Samprajnat Samadhi, which means meditating with support of an object, and second is Asamprajnat Samadhi, which means meditating without support of any object. The meditator comes to realize a profound connection to the divine. These Ashtanga Yoga serves as a prescription for moral and ethical conduct and self-discipline. They help us to acknowledge the spiritual aspects of our nature. And when one is in harmony within, the journey of life is calmer, happier, and more fulfilling.